פשיסטים!
לא לממשלה שלנו!
Over Israel. Here in Tel Aviv and elsewhere, we are protesting against the horrific pogrom committed by the extremist settlers in the West Bank yesterday. They came because they have the support of the government. We came to raise our voice in protest, Jewish and Palestinian citizens of Israel, to say end the occupation and advance towards an Israeli-Palestinian peace.
To demonstrate to stop the occupation, for this government to bring out all the settlements, all the settlers who are inside the Palestinian territories, and to demand peace for everybody and end of the occupation.
Every week, settlers attack us and broke our windows last year. Then an aid agency installed this metal fencing. It's our only protection, but it's like prison.